welcome to Ranju's Food Fusion. I'm Ranju. Today I'm going to make no oven, no yeast pizza on a tawa or a pan, where I'm also adding some whole wheat flour. So let's check out the recipe. To make no oven, no yeast pizza on tawa or pan, here I have 1 cup yogurt or dahi, 2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole wheat flour. If you don't want to use whole wheat flour, you can replace it with all-purpose flour. But I like to use some whole wheat flour. 3 teaspoon baking powder, 2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. For topping, here I have orange bell pepper, some grated mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, green pepper or capsicum, black olives and some onion. You can choose your topping according to your taste. To make pizza dough, add 2 cup maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 1 cup whole wheat flour. Add 3 teaspoon baking powder. Add 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. 2 teaspoon salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. Mix it well. Now add 1 cup yogurt to the dry ingredients. Combine it together to make a dough. Now it will require another 1/4 to 1/2 cup of the water to make a dough. It really depends on the thickness of the yogurt that you're using. Seems like I need more water, so I'm adding 1/4 cup of water. I'll add it slowly until I get a soft dough. Now all the ingredients came together. Now I'll take 1 teaspoon oil. Just rub it over the dough, and it requires kneading only for 30 seconds. After that, cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, open the lid. Now dust little bit of flour and just knead it for 30 seconds, and it will come to a nice smooth ball. Dust some flour on the surface board. Transfer the dough and make it into the shape of a log. Just like that. Now cut it into 6 equal pieces. Form each piece into a ball. Just a nice round ball. Cover it with a damp paper towel or damp cloth while we are working with it. Dust the board with some flour. Take a ball of the pizza dough. Roll the pizza dough into a nice round pizza base. Roll it little bit thicker than roti. Prick it with the fork. It helps to prevent fluffing up pizza base. Transfer the pizza base on tawa or pan. Make sure your pan is heated up. Cook for 1 minute. Flip it over. Now move it away from the heat or turn off the heat. We don't want it to cook from the base until we do the topping. So just move it away from the heat. Spread the pizza sauce. Spread mozzarella cheese on the pizza base. Spread as much as you want. If you want to make a cheese pizza, you don't need to put veggie on it. But I'm making vegetable pizza. So now I'll place onion on pizza base. Just arrange it the way you want it, or cut it the pieces the way you want it. Now place green peppers. Place some orange bell pepper or any other veggie of your choice. I like to add some olives on my pizza too. So I'll add some olives. Let's sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top, as we all love cheese. Cover it and move the tawa on the heat or switch on heat and cook it on medium heat until cheese gets melted and pizza base gets crisp from the bottom. It takes generally 4 to 5 minutes. You can see from the top as cheese is melting, and you can check the pizza base just by lifting a little bit up like this. If your pizza base is crisp, you can take it off. Otherwise, you can cover it back and cook it for another minute or two as requirement. Now I can see my pizza is ready. So I can transfer this into a plate. Wow, it looks so yummy. Sprinkle some chili flakes if you want. And sprinkle some oregano. Cut the slices and enjoy. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Ranju's Food Fusion. You can see how nicely cheese is melted, and you can see from the side how the base is well cooked from inside. Thanks for watching. So this was the recipe for no oven, no yeast pizza on a tawa. This is crispy from the base and cheesy on the top. Please try the recipe and enjoy.